Today, we are diving into something that could completely change your future. The 10 best skills to learn in 2025 that can actually make you rich. These aren't boring textbook skills. No, these are powerful, real world skills that people are already paying thousands of dollars for. And here's the best part, you don't even need to be a genius to learn them. So grab your notebooks because by the end, you'll know exactly which skill might be your golden ticket. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Let's start with the giant, artificial intelligence. AI is everywhere. Your phone's face unlock, Netflix movie suggestion, even self-driving cars. But here is the truth. Very few people know how to build it, and that's why AI experts are making serious money. Example, think of Jarvis from Iron Man. That's basically AI, a system that learns, answers and helps. We are not quite there yet, but companies are spending billions to get closer. Google and OpenAI pay AI engineers over 1,50,000 per year, sometimes more. Questions for you. If you had your own AI robot, what's the first thing you'd teach it to do? Cook, do homework, or maybe clean your room? Comment below, I want to know. Cybersecurity, the bodyguard of internet. Every day hackers try to steal information. Banks, hospitals, even schools are attacked. One small mistake can cost millions. That's why cybersecurity experts are superhero in the digital world. Remember in Fast and Furious when they tried to hack into car and satellites? Well, cybersecurity is the shield that stops that from happening in real life. A certified cybersecurity analyst can make up to $1,20,000 a year protecting companies. Imagine you are the protector of your school's computer system. Someone tries to hack and change exam marks. What would you do first? Let me know. Data science and analytics. Have you heard that this saying, data is the only oil? That's because every click, every like, every video watched online creates data. But raw data is useless unless someone can read it like a storybook. That's where data scientist comes in. They find patterns and tell businesses what customers really want. Example, Netflix look at what you watch, then says, hey, you might like this next show. That's data science in action. Salary, data scientists often earn $1,30,000 or more per year. Question, if you could see the data of your friends, like what they secretly watch on YouTube, what patterns do you think you did find? 4. Cloud computing. No, not fluffy white clouds. The cloud is just a giant computer you can use from anywhere in the world. Amazon, Microsoft, Google, they all rent their cloud space. Think of it like Netflix for computers. Instead of buying a CD or DVD, you stream movies. Instead of buying big servers, companies rent cloud space. Cloud engineers are earning more than $1,20,000 because businesses want to move everywhere online. Question, if you could store anything in a personal cloud forever, photos, secrets, even memories, what would you keep? Digital marketing, the art of making people notice. Think about it, you see ads on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, everywhere. That's digital marketing. Companies need who knows how to grab attention and make sales online. Example, remember how Mr. Beast sells chocolates and burgers? That's not just fun, that's digital marketing. Salary, digital marketing and ad managers can easily earn $80,000 to $100,000 a year. Question, what's the last online ad you actually clicked? Did it make you curious or hungry? Web development and app development. In 2025, if you don't have an app or website, you almost don't exist. From food delivery to dating apps run our world. Example, think about how Zomato, Swiggy or Uber works. They connect people with servers in seconds. Someone had to design and code that. Earning, skilled developer earns more than $90,000 easily per year. Freelancers can make even more working for global clients. Question, if you could create your own app today, what problem would it solve? Maybe homework, health, or a teleportation app. Now let's go deeper. Blockchain and Web3. You have heard of Bitcoin, right? Blockchain is the technology behind it, but it's not just about money, it's about making system more transparent and secure. Remember Ready Player One, a whole world inside virtual reality. That's where Web3 heading. Digital ownership, virtual lands and NFTs. Earnings, Blockchain developers are rare, which is why salaries can cross $150,000 or more per year. Question: if you own land in a virtual world, what would you build first? A castle, a mall, or maybe a secret hideout? Content creation. This one's existing because anyone can start. Content is everything. YouTube videos, podcasts, blogs, TikToks. If you can capture attention, you can turn it into money. Example: kids reviewing toys on YouTube are earning millions. Mr. Beast building an empire just by creating fun, crazy videos. Brands now pay creators $1,000 for just one sponsored post. That's crazy. Question: if I gave you a YouTube channel today, what would be your very first video? Healthcare and biotech. Now let's talk about the world's most important field, healthcare and biotech. AI doctors, robotic surgeries, DNA testing. This is the future. The population is growing. People are living longer and technology is mixing with medicines. Example: in the movie Elysium, they had a machine that could heal any disease instantly. We are not there yet, but biotech is trying. Earning: biotech researchers, genetic engineers, and advanced healthcare workers can earn up to $1 lakh while literally saving lives. Question: if you could invent one machine for hospitals, what would it be? And finally, soft skills. Robots can do math, robots can follow rules, but robots can't feel. And feelings, empathy, kindness, leadership, that's our real superpower. Teamwork. Will Smith in The Pursuit of Happiness, Never Giving Up, or Tony Stark leading with love in Avengers Endgame. So those are the 10 high-paying skills in 2025. AI, cybersecurity, data science, cloud computing, digital marketing, web development, blockchain, content creation, healthcare and biotech, and soft skills. Here is the secret. You don't need all 10, just pick one and master it. That one skill can change your career, your money, even your entire life. So tell me in the comments which one excites you the most. And remember, the best investment you can make in 2025 is not crypto, not stocks, it is you.